Today, I will show you 15 features that women find attractive in men and how to build it. Let's start. This is one of the most important features women notice. A sharp, structured jawline stands out more than a bloated, chubby face. It gives your face a masculine and defined look. How to build it. Stay lean, reduce body fat, maintain good tongue posture, and avoid excess junk food. Women don't just notice your height, they notice how you carry it. Standing straight makes you look confident and dominant. Slouching makes you look insecure. How to build it. Keep your shoulders back, chest up, and strengthen your back muscles. This is a subtle but powerful trait. Women associate bigger, veins visible, well-kept hands with strength and capability. How to improve it. Keep your hands clean, trim nails, build grip strength, and stay fit. Eyes create connection. Strong eye contact shows confidence and control. Avoiding eye contact shows nervousness. How to build it. Practice calm, steady eye contact during conversations. Clear skin instantly makes you more attractive. It shows you take care of yourself. How to build it. Wash your face daily, stay hydrated, sleep well, and eat clean. Smell creates attraction at an emotional level. A good scent makes you memorable. How to build it. Use a light, consistent fragrance. Don't overuse it. Women notice how your clothes fit, not how expensive they are. Fitted clothes enhance your body shape. Baggy clothes hide it. How to build it. Wear clothes that fit your shoulders, chest, and waist properly. Thick, healthy hair instantly makes you look more attractive and well put together. Your hairstyle shapes your entire appearance. Messy is fine, but only if it looks intentional, not careless. How to build it. Choose a hairstyle that suits your face shape, keep your hair clean and healthy, and maintain it regularly. Rushing is one of the biggest signs of anxiety. Fast, uncontrolled movements make you look nervous and unsure of yourself. On the other hand, slow and deliberate actions signal confidence and control. It shows that you're calm, composed, and in charge of the situation. How to build it. Slow down your movements, pause before reacting, and avoid unnecessary rushing in your daily actions. A calm, steady voice instantly feels more confident and in control. Talking too fast or too loudly can come off as nervous or trying too hard. How to build it. Speak slowly, pronounce your words clearly, pause when needed, and control your breathing. Not breaking eye contact too quickly shows confidence, but don't stare aggressively. How to build it. Hold eye contact naturally, then look away calmly. A real relaxed smile feels attractive. A forced smile feels nervous. How to build it. Smile naturally when you feel it. Don't fake it. Women are attracted to men who can lead. Indecision creates confusion. Decisiveness creates direction. How to build it. Start making small decisions quickly and confidently. This is the most important trait. If a woman feels safe around you, attraction grows naturally. If not, nothing else matters. How to build it. Stay calm, be respectful, be consistent, and avoid aggressive behavior. This is one of the most attractive body shapes. Broad shoulders and a narrow waist create a strong, masculine look. It signals strength and protection. But here's the thing. Most guys train for years and still don't get it right. That's why I made a full video breaking down exactly how to build broad shoulders and achieve that aesthetic V-taper.